My name is Barry Shibley. I'm the president of a company called Coy Wolf Technologies.
My name is Deneen Tom, and I'm the VP ITB Manager for Field Canada.
Hello, I'm Yuri Montanhali. I'm a research instructor at Lakeland College.
I'm Michael Richard. I'm the Acting Director of Economic Innovation and Growth with Sturgeon County, Alberta. Sturgeon County is the northern portion of the Edmonton metropolitan region here in Alberta.
My name is John Mulberg. I'm the Vice President of Canadian UAVs here in Calgary. I've been in the unmanned systems business my entire career, over 20 years now.
When the drones, when I was speaking with UVAD and the opportunity came along to form Coy Wolf, I saw it as meeting a need for Indigenous communities along major project areas to be able to make sure that the environment was being looked after, being able to provide jobs, training, and really bring a number of First Nations in particular into an industry that they hadn't been involved in before.
Field Canada has its pedigree in the aerospace industry, being in the military and fighter jet space. Drones are enablers, just like we have cell phones, and cell phones used to make phone calls, and now they do everything and anything for us. Drones are an enabler, they're a technology, they're a platform. And as we put things on that platform, we have the ability to make everything from safety and security to agriculture to delivery, which has been a big thing. Everybody wants things delivered faster.
The bison industry, which is what our practicum's focused around right now, we're doing things that haven't been done before. The first time I ever was out in the bison field, we went out in the truck and they all kind of huddled up around us and they were looking at us and they were like, what are these guys doing out there? And now that we've started utilizing drones, we can see behaviors that you never would be able to see before without them. And we've got videos of them drinking or grazing or calves nursing and rolling in the sand. So it's really great that way. And yeah, just being able to gather that data that is really next to impossible to gather otherwise.
In terms of RPAS, we're seeing a ton of opportunity right now. I think the two largest opportunities we're seeing, they are actually kind of tied together, are one, the redevelopment of the Villeneuve Airport. So the Villeneuve Airport is the region's regional airport. It is owned and operated and managed by Edmonton International Airport. So we're looking at a pretty massive redevelopment opportunity in and around that airport, working with our partners at the Airport Authority, as well as regional partners in something we put together called the Villeneuve Landing Network. And the VLN, as it's called, is a sub-regional consortium of regional municipalities, of Indigenous communities, of post-secondaries, as well as regional economic development organizations that have really come together to kind of realize the generational opportunity for development of that airport and the surrounding lands as well. It's a large, bold effort.
I find that there's a culture in Alberta where we care about innovation. We always celebrate the success. There's a culture of collaboration and cooperation that's huge. I think there's an acceptance from industry, like customers. I think you're seeing governments, particularly municipal governments, adopting this technology and wanting to be the place where drone stuff happens. So I think all those things kind of come together, and world-class educational institutions as well.